Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to learn one of the most feel-good lessons in English: how to give and receive compliments. A compliment is a positive comment that makes someone feel good. It could be about how they look, what they've done, or who they are as a person. In English-speaking cultures, compliments are very common. They help build friendships, warm up conversations, and create good feelings. But many learners feel uncomfortable either giving them or receiving them. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel completely natural. Let's begin. Section 1. Complimenting appearance. Let's start with appearance. How do you compliment the way someone looks? The key is to be specific and genuine. Vague compliments can feel hollow. You look great today. I love your jacket. Where did you get it? That color really suits you. That looks amazing on you. Your hair looks fantastic. I love what you've done with your hair. Notice, that suits you and that looks good on you are very natural English phrases. Suits means it fits your style and personality perfectly. For clothes specifically, that's such a nice dress. Those shoes are gorgeous. You always dress so well. Be careful with body compliments in professional settings. Complimenting someone's clothes or hair is always safe. Comments about weight or body shape are generally avoided in modern English conversation, even when intended positively. Key phrases to remember. That color really suits you. That looks amazing on you. You always dress so well. Section 2. Complimenting work and skills. Now let's look at complimenting someone's work or abilities. These compliments are very powerful because they recognize effort and talent. You did an amazing job on that presentation. That was really impressive work. You handled that really well. You're so good at this. I don't know how you do it, you make it look so easy. Your attention to detail is incredible. For creative work, this is really creative, I love it. You have such a talent for this. This is better than I expected in the best way, for effort and hard work. You've worked so hard on this, it shows. I can really tell how much effort you put into this. You should be really proud of yourself. That last phrase, you should be really proud of yourself, is a beautiful compliment. It doesn't just praise the work. It tells the person they have reason to feel good inside. Key phrases to remember. You did an amazing job on that. You should be really proud of yourself. I can really tell how much effort you put in. Section 3. Complimenting personality. The deepest compliments are about who someone is as a person. These are less common, but they mean the most. You have such a warm personality. You're one of the kindest people I know. You always know exactly what to say. You make everyone around you feel comfortable. You're so thoughtful. I really appreciate that about you. I really admire how patient you are. These compliments work especially well when they are specific to a moment. The way you handled that situation was really impressive. You were so calm. I noticed how kind you were to that person. That says a lot about who you are. Key phrases to remember. You have such a warm personality. You always know exactly what to say. I really admire how patient you are. Section 4. Responding to compliments. This is where many non-native speakers struggle. In some cultures, the polite response to a compliment is to deny it. Oh no, it's nothing, I'm not that good. In English, this can actually seem rude because you are rejecting what the other person said. The polite thing in English is to accept the compliment gracefully. Here's how. Simple and warm acceptance. Thank you, that's so kind of you to say. Oh, thank you so much, that really means a lot. That's really lovely of you, thank you. Modest but positive. Oh, I don't know about that, but thank you. You're too kind, thank you. That's very sweet of you to say. Sharing the credit. Thank you, I couldn't have done it without the team. Thank you, I had a lot of help, to be honest. Return the compliment. Oh, thank you, you always look so put together yourself. That's so kind, I was actually just thinking the same about you. The rule is simple. Don't deny the compliment. Don't just say thank you flatly. Add a little warmth. Add a little feeling. Make the other person feel heard. Key phrases to remember. That's so kind of you to say. That really means a lot, thank you. You're too kind. Section 5. Compliments in professional settings. In the workplace, compliments are important, but the rules are slightly different. Keep it professional and specific. Vague compliments at work can feel insincere. Great work on the report. The data analysis was really thorough. I really appreciated the way you handled that client. Your contribution to this project has been invaluable. I wanted to say your presentation today was excellent. To a manager or senior colleague, I've learned so much from working with you. I really respect the way you approach problems. To a team member, I just wanted to say you've been doing a brilliant job. I've really noticed your hard work lately. One important rule at work: compliment the work, not just the person. Your report was excellent is always better than just "you're excellent." It gives the person something specific to feel proud of. Key phrases to remember: your contribution has been invaluable. I really appreciated the way you handled that. I've learned so much from working with you. Wonderful, let's do a quick review. Appearance: that color really suits you. And that looks amazing on you. Work and skills: you did an amazing job. And you should be really proud. Personality: you have such a warm personality. And you always know what to say. Responding: that's so kind of you to say. And that really means a lot. At work, specific and professional: your report was excellent. Compliments are one of the most powerful tools in a language. A few kind words can completely change someone's day. Practice giving at least one compliment in English today, to a colleague, a friend, anyone. In our next lesson, we'll cover inviting people and responding to invitations. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. You're doing brilliantly. Keep going.